I'm recording a video every day.
Of me getting dressed?
Yeah. It's Killian's last day of school. And as is tradition, they're out here taking their last day of school pictures. So anyways, today is day one of me shooting a daily vlog. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. So for my first exciting task today, I get to take Cynthia's phone to her job. I think in the excitement of today being the last day of school, she forgot it. So I'm going to run that over to her. Okay, update. Literally like 2 seconds later, update. I was getting dressed and Cynthia came in the door needing her phone, so I don't have to take it to her after all, which I guess is kind of a bummer for us because that would have been an exciting scooter ride that we were all going to take together, but maybe next time. So my plan is to make a new video every day. Today, for instance, I got to do I gotta do the dishes. Also, have you ever heard of a honeydew list? Well, I thought it would be funny to change mine to the muskmelon list. Cat is not digging this at all. So on an exciting day like today, I'll show you the things that I've been excited about. Up first is my new camera equipment storage for mine and Cynthia's stuff. So we've got some microphone stuff, some ND filters, and some Sugru. I've got my Mavic batteries here. They fit perfectly, which I'm real happy about that. I think that's super cool. Sony batteries, GoPro batteries, ND filters and props for the Mavic, Osmo batteries, Osmo thingies, little recorder that we don't use, and then over here is all kinds of extra little gadgets and gizmos and my business cards. And then down here is our probably unsafe charging area. For instance, don't leave LiPo batteries just laying around. That's not a good idea. Like this. We got a new coffee maker, which you can see here. It's got this brew button here. You just click it, but then you can turn it, and I'm not sure what that does, if it makes it hotter or what. The thing that I like about it the most is that it's got this nice heavy lid, so it feels like quality. But I don't know anything about the Krups brand, so comment below, let me know what you think. So far I like it. I feel like I got some sort of throat thing happening. My nose is like sensitive and turning red. I don't know what that's about. And then look at this, I have to deal with this all day. Alright, Cynthia's coming to get me, which is great because I am hungry. She's getting off of work and we're going out to eat. So I'm looking forward to that and hope the rain doesn't get too bad because I don't really have anything nice to put this camera in for when she gets here. So hope the rain doesn't come down like crazy while we're out because I don't really have a nice way to carry this camera around if that happens. Looks like she's here already. baby. How was your Cartwright's dinner?
Fairly well.
Fairly well. That's sort of Cartwright's in a...
Broken glass.
That was a lie.
Comic book shop.
Let's go.
I ate too much.
Is it? How far into it are you?
I'm on 2.
You're out.
But it's really good.
But you can tell already, you're like, yep,
It's amazing.
this is a winner.